3, 2, 1. Deep inhale all the way in. Hold the breath at the top.
It's your medicine.
3, 1, release.
After your body.
We breathe again.
Keep it moving on. Free your mind. Stay in the moment.
Deep inhale.
Your heart knows the way.
Long exhales.
Your heart knows the way. Always and always.
Gentle breathing. Deep inhale, long exhales.
I'm breaking patterns, ending cycles. That's my work. Oh, no more trauma, no more conditioning. That's my work. I'm clearing lines, yeah, I'm clearing lines for the next generation. It's my word.
5 more. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Stay with the breath. Last 2. The last exhale, empty your lungs and call your breath. Three,
Trust
2,
the process.
1.
Stay patient.
Deep inhale all the way in. Hold at the top.
Trust the process. Stay patient.
Long exhale. Last one. Keep breathing in the mouth and out to the mouth. Big release on the exhale. Allow yourself to release.